Introducing the epic collision of Godzilla and Kong, the New Empire. Witness an unprecedented clash of titans as Joblo Movie Network presents the official trailer for Godzilla x Kong, the New Empire, scheduled to hit theaters in 2024. This highly anticipated film promises to redefine the world of cinematic monster battles. The trailer unveils a breathtaking scene of destruction as the iconic Colosseum in Rome becomes the epicenter of a cataclysmic showdown between Godzilla and Kong. The awe-inspiring footage takes viewers on a thrilling journey through the ruins of the ancient empire, showcasing the raw power and ferocity of the two legendary creatures. Godzilla x Kong, the New Empire is not just another face-off between these monumental figures. It signals the birth of a new empire that will forever alter the fabric of their worlds. Packed with heart-pounding action and stunning visual effects, this monumental clash of cinematic magnificence will be exclusively showcased on the big screen. The immersive theater experience promises to transport viewers into the heart of the action, allowing them to fully appreciate the massive scale and intensity of the battle. As anticipation builds, with the highest production values, a compelling storyline, and mesmerizing visuals, this film is poised to redefine the monster genre and establish itself as a blockbuster sensation. Stay tuned for more updates and mark your calendars for 2024, when Godzilla x Kong, the New Empire will reign supreme in theaters worldwide. Prepare to be enthralled by the clash of colossal proportions that will redefine the reign of monsters.